Today let's take a look at a series of K&F Concept Variable ND filter, ultra slim version. They offer these ND filters at a very affordable price at about $20 to $30/euros. With one of these, it saves you the hassle of switching filters for different lighting conditions. All you need to do is to twist the adjustable ring, which is very well built and smooth to turn, yet resistant enough so that you don't turn in mid-shooting accidentally. The glass has a blue tint in it. It looks kind of cool. They are indeed very slim as advertised, however, it still gets in the way of mounting lens hood, so keep that in mind in case you need to protect your image from sun rays. I find it troublesome when shooting towards the sun, especially when using a lens that is prone to flare like Samyang prime lenses. Here is the 77mm ND2-400 variable filter I bought for my Samyang 24mm f1.4 lens. In a recent test, I realized that shooting at f1.4 would result in an overexposed image despite using highest shutter speed and lowest ISO settings, which triggered me to make this purchase. I was lucky to find a 50% discount on Amazon, which brought the €30 price down to 15. I was very lucky. This is the test image I mentioned earlier, completely overexposed. With this filter on, the exposure is nicely controlled. In this test, I brought the shutter speed down from 1/8000 second to 1/200 second, shooting at f1.4, with the maximum density on this filter. The image gets a brownish tint with the filter on, and here are some more sample images. And here are some images taken with the 62mm ND2 to ND400 filter on my Leica 12 to 60mm f2.8 to 4 lenses. It is very useful when I'm using GX85 because the shutter speed goes only up to 1/4000 second, which can easily lead to overexposure in broad daylight at f2.8.
Absolutely nothing. It's too sunny, too sunny. Oh my god, summer is here.
Let's hurry.
Sorry.
It looks like tomorrow is gonna be 70 degrees outside.
That guy's sleeping there. Wow.
Oh my god, my son, fucking.
It's like a little tiger, little lion.
Make me think. Photo. Yeah, bitch. Everyone come
They're all coming to you now.
here.
Oh, really? My voice is just too low, okay.
I think it's a must.
Rolling. Fancy. Little chips, beer, fancy beer, nice place.
The image has some certain tinted look, but I don't dislike it. I rather enjoy having those slight tint in my images, kind of cute. Overall, I think they are a great deal. For many situations, an ND filter is a must, and these variable filters are just too versatile to miss.